In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Payday 2 community group on Steam. Joining the official community group is a great way to stay on top of announcements, updates, events, and discussions from other players. Let's walk through it together, step by step, so you can get it done quickly and confidently. Start by opening Steam and logging in. You'll find the sign-in area at the top right of the window. Make sure you're on your own account, since group membership is tied to the profile you're logged into. Once you're in, look to the top right and click your profile name. A small menu will appear. Choose groups from that drop-down. On the groups page, select Find a Group to start searching. If you prefer, you can also get there from the Community tab, which leads to the same place. Either path works, so use whichever is more convenient in your layout. In the search bar, type Payday 2 or Payday 2 official group. You should see the official group show up near the top of the results. It's typically labeled as the Payday 2 official group and has a very large member count, which is a good sign you're in the right place. Always double-check the name and the size of the group to avoid fan pages or unofficial communities if you're specifically looking for the official one. Click into the groups page to open the full details. Here, you'll see the group overview, recent announcements, and member information. Look to the top right of this page for the Join Group button. Click that to become a member. Depending on your settings and the group's configuration, you might see a quick confirmation prompt. Just confirm, and you're all set. After joining, you should see that your status updates to indicate membership, and you'll start receiving posts from the group in your Steam activity feed. If you plan to access any in-game features tied to the group, or if you had the game running while you joined, it's a good idea to restart Steam or the game. This refresh makes sure your new membership is recognized right away. Close the game, or exit and relaunch Steam, then reopen Payday 2 so everything syncs properly. That's it. You've joined the Payday 2 community group on Steam and you're ready to receive updates, announcements, and event info directly where you play. If you ever want to revisit the group, just go back to your profile, open groups, and you'll find it listed among your memberships. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.